demonstration video on how to perform basic calculations in a spreadsheet. For the purpose of the video, we'll be using a software package called WPS Office. We'll be using the spreadsheets program of WPS Office. Over here we have a spreadsheet with values entered in columns A and B. We will be performing the basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Notice under the column of addition, we will be choosing the cell D4 in which we will perform a calculation. And we wish to perform a calculation on the cells which are selected, namely cells A4 and B4. So we choose the cell in which we wish to perform the calculation, namely D4, and we start by typing an equal sign and then selecting the cells which we wish to use as a source. So that will be A4 and type a plus sign and select cell B4. The process can be repeated for cells A5 and B5. So type an equal sign, select cell A5, type a plus sign, and select cell B5. The process can be repeated for cells A6 and B6, A7 and B7, and so on. But there is an easier way. So we select the last cell in which we performed our calculation, we go to the bottom right hand corner until our cursor turns into a small crosshair. And when it does, we click on the bottom right hand corner of the cell and we drag down. As you can see, cell D6 has the sum of A6 and B6. This can be seen over here. And the same with cell D7 and so on. Now let's try subtraction. So we start by an equal sign, A7 minus B4, enter. Do that again, equals A5 minus B5, enter. We click on cell E5, move to the bottom right hand corner until the cursor turns into a crosshair, click and drag. For multiplication, choosing cells A4 and B4, equal sign, select cell A4, and here we use the asterisk for multiplication. So on your keyboard, holding down the shift key and the number 8, and choosing cell B4, enter. Process can be repeated again by moving to the bottom right hand corner of the cell until your cursor turns into a crosshair, left clicking and dragging down. For division, we start by an equal sign, cell A4, and / for the division sign, divided by cell B4. Enter. And the process can be repeated again by clicking on the cell, moving to the bottom right hand corner until your cursor turns into a crosshair, left click and drag down. And there we have the 4 basic mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also note that The process described in this video can be performed using Microsoft Office or any other free Office package. Thank you.